Good morning and Jai Hind students. This is my video of SST, and now in this video I am going to discuss the exercise of books and copy work. First exercise is match the special agencies of UN with its aim. First is welfare of children of the world is the work of UNICEF. Second is freedom from hunger is the work of FAO. Third is promotion of education, science and culture is the aim of ILO, UNESCO. This is the aim of UNESCO. And the fourth is improve condition of working class is the work of ILO. And the last is improve health of people is the aim of WHO. Now we will discuss true and false. The only aims of UN is to prevent war. False. All nations are members of Security Council. It is also false. The National Assembly in the most powerful organ of UN. This is false. There have been no wars between nations after the UN was formed. Absolutely false. Now, sentence number 5. India has never had a seat in Security Council. This is also false. 2 times India has the seat of Security Council. Now answer the following question. Why was the United Nations formed? After the World War II, the nations of the world come together to find the ways of preventing war in future. The tremendous destruction and misery of the 2 wars had made them wiser. As a result of their efforts, the United Nations was born in the year 1945. Now question number 2. Beside maintaining world peace, in what other ways does the UN help its member countries? Answer. To maintain international peace and security. Second is to develop friendly relations between nations. Third, to encourage respect for human rights and freedom of all the people. Fourth, to achieve international cooperation in solving economic and social problems. And last is the help fight disease and preserve the environment. Now question number 3. Name the 6 organs of UN. Which organ is most powerful? The 6 organs of UN are the General Assembly, Security Council, Secretariat, ECOSOC or Economic Social Council. 5th is International Court of Justice. 5th is last is Trusteeship Council. And Security Council is the most powerful organ. Now question number 4. Name the 5 permanent members of the Security Council. These are the 5 permanent members of Security Council are France, UK, USA, Russia, China. Now question number 5. Who is the head of UN? List his or her main responsibilities. The head of the UN is at that time the head of the UN is Antonio Guterres, and his responsibilities are it carries out day-to-day work of UN, and he carries out the decision of Security Council and is powerful person. And next is maintaining effective records and administration, upholding the legal requirement of governing document. And last is communication and the correspondence. These are the main responsibilities of head of UN. Now question number 6. What do you mean by the specialized agency of UN? Name any 4 agencies of UN. Now you have to draw the all special agencies in front of the answer. I am again saying you have to draw the all special agencies in front of the answer of this question. Much of the work of UN is carried out by the specialized agencies. They deal with the food aid, health, education, environment and agriculture. Member countries pay for work of these agencies. The 4 agencies of UN are follows: UNICEF, FAO, WHO and ILO. And the last question is, what is the apartheid and why did India oppose it? Answer of the 7th question is, the policy of considering black as inferior to white is known as apartheid. India opposed it because India believed that no human should be discriminated on the basis of their skin tones. Now we will discuss HOTS, think and answer. War has broken out between two nations and the United Nations decided to one of them has wrongly attacked the others. What action can the Security Council take against the country that attacked first? Obviously, he can take the return his all powers if he is not follow the rules of Charter and decision of United Nations. Now second is, the Indian cricket team has started playing against South Africa only the few years back. There were no matches between India and South Africa before that. What do you think the reason for this? The reason for this was the policy of apartheid. That's why there was no matches between India and South Africa. Now we will discuss multiple choice questions. Now question number 1. The set of the rules according to which the UN is governed is called Constitution of United Nations. B is the Government of United Nations. C is Secretariat. And D is Charter of the United Nations. Its correct answer is the set of rules is the Charter of the United Nations. Now question number 2. Which of these is not an aim of United Nations? A. To maintain international peace, to encourage respect for human rights, to help the less developed nations achieve progress, to govern the rule newly formed nation. Now, the aim of United Nations is not to govern the rule newly formed nation. Now, question number 3. In the General Assembly, A. All countries have one vote. Countries with larger population have more votes. Countries that are the more developed have more votes. The poorer countries have more votes. Answer is A. All countries have one vote. Now question number 4. The most powerful organ of United Nations is General Assembly, Security Council, International Court of Justice or Secretariat. Answer is Security Council. The question number 5. The agency of the United Nations that is responsible for the welfare of children all over the world is the UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO or ILO. Answer is UNICEF. Now question number 6. Which country followed the policy of apartheid? A. USA, B. Britain, C. South Africa, D. Germany. Answer is South Africa. Activities for formative assessment. Speak out. Has the UN really been able to bring peace to the world? You have to search the topic and speak in the class. Now find out. The flag of the United Nations is given here. It consists of a map of the world surrounded by olive branches. Find out what was the symbol of the finger flags means. What is the meaning of this flag? You have to search.